We've learned in the previous class yo puedo, yo quiero, yo necesito. I can, I want, I need. And also we've learned 3 infinitive verbs: comer, hablar, and beber, and 3 words: arroz, rice, español, agua. Hello my friend, and welcome to our new video. As you remember, we've talked about the 3 magic verbs and how can I use them. Okay, but let's say we have this boy. This boy, he will say yo puedo, yo quiero, yo necesito. But if this girl wants to talk to this smart boy and tell him you can, you want, you need, how can she tell him in Spanish? Tú puedes, tú quieres, tú necesitas. You can, you want, you need. So we understand that tú means you. Beautiful. So tú puedes, tú quieres, tú necesitas. Let's also take examples and see how can we use to and the magic verbs. First example here: tú puedes jugar al fútbol, tú quieres escuchar la música, tú necesitas visitar España. And the last question for you is, how can I say you want to visit Spain? Cool. Tú quieres visitar España. We've got a new 9 examples, and with the previous examples now we've got 18 examples. That's so beautiful, yes? And we know so many words till now. Okay, that's so beautiful, but I need to ask you a question. Do you think that we can bring what we've learned in the previous class and try it here? Yes, surely we can. So we've learned comer, arroz, hablar, español, and also we've got beber. So, as we know, the previous class we said, yo puedo comer arroz. I can eat rice. So here, today we've learned tú means you. Let's see, how can I say you can? Not I can, no, you can eat rice. Tú puedes comer arroz. Beautiful. And how can I say, okay, directly I will ask you, how can I say you need to speak Spanish? Tú necesitas hablar español. Fantastic. And how can I say you want to drink water? Tú quieres beber agua. So perfect. And also let me ask you, how can I say I want to play football? Yo quiero jugar al fútbol. Cool. And how can I say I need to listen to the music? Yo necesito escuchar la música. I need to listen to the music. So perfect. You see that our method is so beautiful. You can just change the position of the words and just keep our beautiful magic verbs, and then we can create new sentences and memorize a lot of words. Today we've learned to you, puedes, you can, quieres, you want, necesitas, you need. And also we've learned jugar, to play, escuchar, to listen, and visitar, to visit. And also new words, al fútbol, football, la música or música, music, España, Spain. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.